There's a device that installs a professional backup camera on any vehicle ever made. Any car, any truck, any trailer, in 2 minutes. Zero wires, zero tools. Almost nobody knows it exists. Drop your guess for number 1 in the comments right now. I did the obsessive research so you don't have to. Subscribe before we dive in. This list is genuinely different from every car gadget video you've seen. Let's go. Number 30. LIHAN Bluetooth 5.4 Car Adapter FM Transmitter. You know that friend whose old car somehow has Bluetooth, fast charging, and an FM transmitter all working perfectly? One cigarette lighter plug is their entire secret. Bluetooth 5.4, USB-C, USB-A, and quick charge from a single socket. Takes 8 seconds to set up. I genuinely couldn't believe this was one device. Number 29. TICARVE Cleaning Gel for Car Detail Tools. When did you last clean the inside of your air vents? Not wipe the outside, the actual inside where the dust lives. This putty molds into every vent slot and cup holder crevice and physically pulls the grime out. I used it once and felt both satisfied and mildly horrified by what appeared. Reusable, non-toxic, shocking before and after. Number 28. Drop Stop Original Patented Car Seat Gap Filler. You're driving. Phone slips into the seat gap. You contort yourself reaching for it at 60 miles an hour. Every driver has done this. Drop Stop, the Shark Tank product, fills that gap permanently and moves with your seat adjustment. Such an obvious solution, it's almost offensive nobody built it sooner. Number 27. EcoNour 2-in-1 Car Steering Wheel Desk Tray. For everyone who's eaten a burrito using their thigh as a table, this is for us. Hooks over your steering wheel using pure physics. No screws, no adhesive. Meal tray, laptop desk, built-in cup holder. I had a full video call from my car using this. My finest professional moment? No. Effective? Completely. Number 26. Govee RGBIC Interior Car LED Strip Lights. Most people buy these, set them to static purple, and miss the actual feature entirely. Music Sync Mode has a built-in microphone that listens to your audio and pulses every color in real time to every beat. I drove through an entire playlist, and my car became a private concert. Every passenger immediately asks where you got them. Number 25. HOTOR Car Trash Can with lid and storage pockets. Magnetic lid snaps shut while driving. Hangs from your headrest. Remove the liner and it doubles as a storage bin. I used a grocery bag for 5 years. 5 years. This is better in every measurable way, and I'm slightly embarrassed about my previous solution. Number 24. WOLFBOX 12-inch 4K mirror dashcam. Your factory rear-view mirror shows roughly a third of what's actually behind your car. This replaces it with a 12-inch 4K display showing exactly what a rear camera sees. Wide angle, night vision, high definition. Car and Driver named it Best in Class. I installed one and felt like I'd been driving half-blind for years. Warm-up done. From here, this list becomes something different. Products most people have genuinely never heard of. Subscribe now. I do this research so you don't have to. Number 23. BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBDII Scan Tool. Check engine light comes on. Stomach drops. You have no idea if it's catastrophic or literally just the gas cap. This ends that permanently. Plugs under your dashboard, pairs to your phone, delivers a plain English diagnosis, plus what a fair repair should actually cost. I walked into my last service appointment knowing more than my mechanic expected. That felt excellent. Number 22. Garmin Dashcam Mini 3 Ultracompact 1080p. What most people don't realize, once it's mounted behind your rearview mirror, this thing is completely invisible. Not hard to notice. Actually invisible. Voice-controlled, starts recording on ignition. I've had mine 2 months. 2 different passengers asked if I owned a dash cam yet. It was recording both conversations. I said nothing either time. Number 21. Chemical Guy's HydroSpeed Ceramic Quick Detailer. Car detailers would genuinely prefer you not know this product exists. Ceramic coating protection that makes rain bead violently off your paint. In spray form, 3 minutes, done yourself. The same protection shops charge a small fortune to apply. 1 bottle. Chemical Guys has built their entire reputation on this kind of knowledge gap. Number 20. 3M Headlight Lens Restoration System. Yellowed headlights cut your night visibility significantly. The professional shop fix costs more than you'd want to admit. This 3M kit, a drill attachment, 30 minutes in your driveway, results genuinely indistinguishable from new headlights. I watched a before and after on a 2009 Civic and thought they'd replaced the whole assembly. They had not. Number 19. Cobra Rad 480i Laser Radar Detector. My last radar detector screamed every time I passed a grocery store. Every single time. I eventually started ignoring it completely, which defeats the entire purpose. The Rad 480i uses digital signal processing to filter all false alerts out. Only warns you when it genuinely matters. Connects to CarPlay and Android Auto. This is the difference between a useful tool and an expensive noise machine. Number 18. Amazon Echo Auto. 20 minutes from home, August. You say out loud, "Turn on the air conditioning." Your house is already cold when you walk through the door. That's the use case that converted me. Controls your lights, locks, and music, all hands-free. Most owners are using maybe 10% of what this thing can actually do. Drop a like if you're finding things you've never seen before. Number 17. Carlinkit 4 Wireless CarPlay Adapter. Every day, millions of people plug a cable into their phone to use CarPlay. Every single day. That cable is now optional. 1 dongle in your USB port. Phone connects automatically every time you get in the car. No cable, no fumbling, no "why isn't it connecting" moment. Sounds minor until you've lived it for a week, and going back feels genuinely offensive. Number 16. REDTIGER F7N Touch 4K STARVIS 2 Dashcam. The specific feature that earned this a spot? 5G Wi-Fi. So fast that an entire hour of 4K footage transfers to your phone in under 30 seconds. Every other dashcam I've owned had an SD card I never checked. This one actually gets reviewed because reviewing it requires 0 effort. That real-world difference changes everything. Number 15. Fanttik Slim V8 Apex Cordless Car Vacuum. Nobody is talking about this yet, and they absolutely should be. Suction that rivals entry-level shop vacs from a device that fits entirely inside your glove box. I showed this to 3 people, and all 3 immediately asked where to buy it. Charges via USB-C. 4 functions: vacuum, blower, inflator, deflator. It genuinely should not fit this much into something this small. Number 14. Vantrue E1 Pro 4K Mini Dashcam. STARVIS 25G Wi-Fi. LTE connectivity, meaning you open an app from anywhere in the world and watch a live stream of your parked car in real time. I was at a restaurant, checked my phone, watched someone walk past my car in the lot, and kept eating completely calm. That specific peace of mind didn't exist for me before this product. Number 13. Jackery Portable Power Station, Explorer 300. Charges from your car's 12-volt outlet while you drive, then powers laptops, cameras, and phones through standard AC outlets, completely off-grid. Lunchbox sized, compatible with solar panels for full remote operation. If you've ever desperately needed an outlet on the road and had nothing, this is the permanent fix. People who own one cannot imagine traveling without it. Top 10. This is where things get hard to believe. Hit that like button right now, and keep your number one guess in the comments. We're getting close. Number 12. Garmin inReach Messenger Satellite Communicator. No cell service, no Wi-Fi, doesn't matter. Communicates via satellite, text messages, GPS location sharing, and a full search and rescue response from one button press, anywhere on the planet. When I first looked at this, I thought it was over-engineered. Then, I thought about a single wrong turn on a remote road at night. Garmin has coordinated over 14,000 real emergency responses with this technology. That number stopped me. Number 11. Tymate Solar Charge TPMS 7-3 Tire Pressure Monitor. This has one feature that should not be possible at this size. The display charges itself using solar energy. While you drive, it charges. Parked in sunlight, it charges. You will never once change a battery in this monitor. I showed someone who spent a full minute insisting there had to be a hidden battery somewhere. There is not. Number 10. BougeRV 12-volt refrigerator, 30-quart portable freezer. You know the specific misery of a warm drink at hour 6 of a road trip? This ends it. And precision matters here. This is not a cooler. It's a genuine compressor refrigerator that runs off your car's power and freezes food to -4 degrees Fahrenheit. No ice, no soggy food, real freezer, in your trunk, running off your car. Number 9. Noco Boost Air AX 65 2000 ampere jump starter with tire inflator. Think about how many separate emergency items you currently don't carry because it's impractical. This is your jump starter, tire inflator, phone charger, and emergency flashlight. All of them. One device behind your seat. I've seen Noco products in every serious mechanic's garage I've ever visited. There's a specific reason for that. Dead battery at midnight? You handle it yourself. Number 8. Wacaco Nanopresso Portable Espresso Machine. This shouldn't work as well as it does. No electricity, no batteries, completely manual. Genuine espresso with 264 pounds per square inch extraction pressure from a device lighter than a water bottle. I made espresso on a picnic table and felt like I was performing a magic trick. Coffee people with expensive home machines have confirmed it genuinely holds up. For anyone who refuses bad coffee because they're without an outlet, this. Number 7. 70Mi A8 10 S4K Dual Dashcam STARVIS 2. The STARVIS 2 sensor performs in near darkness like it's broad daylight. But the feature that actually earned the spot, an optional 4G module that turns your parked car into a remotely accessible live streaming security camera. The moment I watched my parked car from inside a restaurant, I became an overly cautious parking lot monitoring spy. Completely at peace with that. AI motion detection, cloud storage, instant Wi-Fi downloads. Top 6. These are the products I kept coming back to. Think about what problem in your car you've accepted as just permanently unsolvable. Number 6. Astro AI Cordless Tire Inflator. Motor Trend named this the best cordless tire inflator available. Completely untethered, no cords, no outlets. Full sport utility vehicle tire in under 3 minutes on battery alone. The detail that sealed it? If you're stranded with both a dead battery and a flat simultaneously, the worst possible combination, your car's 12-volt outlet can still power this while you inflate. Designed specifically for when everything goes wrong at once. Number 5. Dometic CFX5 Electric Cooler Portable Freezer. App-controlled temperature from your phone. Runs on your car's power, a solar battery, or a wall outlet. Freezes to -7 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the portable freezer serious overlanders and long-haul road trippers have been waiting for. Dometic is the brand professional outdoor operators build their gear lists around. The question stops being, do I need this, and becomes, how did I do road trips without it? Number 4. WOLFBOX G900 Tri-Pro 3-channel 4K mirror dash cam. 3 cameras, 1 12-inch mirror display, front, rear, and cabin recording simultaneously in 4K, 2.5K, and 1080p. Voice controlled. Sony's STARVIS 2IMX678 front sensor, the same chip in high-end security systems. When I first saw the 3-way split screen live on the mirror, I genuinely thought it was a demo video. Off-road drivers are mounting the third camera on their bumper to see terrain the hood blocks entirely. Number 3. Audin Mino Portable Electric Espresso Machine. I'm going to describe this and you'll think I'm exaggerating. Smaller than a thermos. Self-heats cold water from scratch. Produces 22-bar barista-quality espresso. Over 500 shots on a single charge using preheated water. IP67 waterproof. Works with ground coffee and Nespresso capsules. I made espresso beside a river on a hiking trail, and it was better than most coffee shops I visited that month. Nobody who owns this ever goes back. Number 2. Markster LED. Road Flares 6-pack, USB rechargeable. Traditional road flares burn out, produce toxic smoke, and are single-use, so most people don't bother carrying them. These charge via USB, have 9 programmable flash modes, and stick magnetically directly to your car's body. Full 6-pack fits in a small bag. Visible through rain, fog, and complete darkness. When I first saw these, my immediate thought was genuine confusion about why the old version still exists. Every car needs this. Almost nobody has them. You've seen a satellite communicator, a solar tire monitor, a triple camera mirror. Number 1 is the product I kept thinking about after this entire list was finished. Number 1. AutoVox Solar Wireless Backup Camera DVR. Here's exactly why this wins. Reason 1. Any vehicle ever made. Any car, any truck, any trailer, any recreational vehicle from any year. If it has metal and a cabin, this works. Reason 2. 0 wires, 0 installation. The camera runs entirely on solar power and transmits wirelessly to a monitor inside your cabin. 2 minutes. No tools, no mechanic, no cable routing. Reason 3. Backup cameras are standard on new vehicles, but hundreds of millions of older cars, trucks, and trailers have nothing. This removes every barrier, complexity, compatibility in one shot. When I showed people this, the reaction wasn't, "That's cool." It was, "I'm sending this to my dad right now." If you guessed backup camera in the comments, you were right. 30 gadgets, 0 filler. Comment right now, which one are you actually getting? Subscribe. I find these so you don't have to. And the next list is almost ready. My prediction? You're sending this to someone before tomorrow. And yes, the steering wheel burrito desk is still in my car. See you in the next one.